Our facilities enable us to meet today's customer needs and position us to innovate and produce new fuels for whatever comes next. 3 years ago, we announced our plans to restart and expand our TRISO nuclear fuel line, and a year later we completed that restart and began producing some amounts of fuel. Late last year, we reached a critical milestone in space nuclear propulsion by delivering coated fuels for NASA's Space Technology Mission Directorate. Nuclear thermal propulsion is the technology capable of propelling a spacecraft to Mars and back, and importantly, it can withstand the environmental and operational extremes that are associated with spaceflight. This year, we were selected by the U.S. Department of Defense's Strategic Capabilities Office, or SCO, to manufacture and deliver a prototype microreactor called Pele to be integrated and operated at the Idaho National Laboratory starting in 2024. It's quite an ambitious program, as you can tell. In a press release that we announced today, timed to coincide with the beginning of this event, we did announce the start of TRISO fuel production for Project Pele, and in that project we will manufacture about 400 kilograms of TRISO fuel for that reactor core.
TRISO, the most robust nuclear fuel on Earth, incredibly small and tough enough to handle the extremely high operating temperatures of today's advanced nuclear reactors. TRISO was a dream for some, but a full-scale production reality for one. BWXT is the only U.S. company to manufacture a radiation-tested uranium oxycarbide TRISO fuel using production-scale equipment. Our specialty fuel facility in Lynchburg, Virginia, perfects fabrication techniques and manufactures the fuel required for the development and production of safe, compact nuclear reactors needed to meet growing energy needs. Our TRISO production process begins with solution preparation, where feedstock of any enrichment is dissolved in nitric acid. The feedstock batches are then blended to obtain the correct enrichment. Blended uranium and proprietary organic solutions are mixed and added to the formula.
Extends beyond this activity today that we're talking about. They're a solid and great performer for us, and we have a number of activities with them. We know that the industry has the knowledge and experience that can benefit NASA and the nation. It's when we work together that we can really get further. And we want to do everything we can to have these systems not just satisfy our needs, but be something that is a commercially viable product. And so we look forward to the upcoming work we have with BWXT, the partners that we have. We're excited to be here today, and we really appreciate our fellow brethren